All right, for the third one, very similar to what we've done before. Um, we've got our L shape. This time it's from the side instead of the front or the top. So when we go into onshape, we're going to use this right side plane. And we've got two cutouts that we're going to add, or take away from. Before I get into this one though, because I'm all in one workspace here, okay, my units are still going to be in millimeter. So I need to go back to inches. Otherwise, 3.5 millimeters is going to be quite a bit different than 3.5 inches, um, about 25 times smaller. So I'm going to create a new sketch on my right plane. And again, use my origin point to start. I'll have that lined up down here. It doesn't matter. You can line it up there. It could be this corner. Just pick a corner and go. So back to my line command. I'm going to draw that shape. Just making sure that everything is horizontal and vertical as needed. And then add my dimensions. Right, nothing new here. Same process. The height of this and the thickness of that is 1 inch. So I can click on my, the wrong thing here, click on my equal, make that equal to that. D for dimension, 1 inch. Everything's black. Extrude. Now, here's where I have to kind of do a little bit of math. So there is no number going across from the right side all the way across. That is the overall depth. All right. But right here, there are three that are stacked on top of each other. Right. So 0.5, 1.5, and 0.5. So you can probably do the math in your head, but I'll show you how to have Onshape calculate this for us. So we can add these three numbers. So I can say that the depth is, let's go here. All right. So my depth is 0.5 plus 1.5 plus 0.5. And then Onshape will do the math and set that up for me. Okay. So then to remove these two surfaces, I'm going to just choose where I want to put them. I can draw on the front like this. All right, so I'm on that front plane here. And I can put a rectangle like that, dimension it, and extrude it back. Okay, that works. I always like to go with the shape that I see though. So I'm going to go back out of that sketch and put my sketch on this surface and draw my rectangle this way. And then just as before, dimension where it is. So this is 1.5 back, and it is 1 inch from this edge, and it is 0.5 wide. So now I'll extrude that, remove, through all. And then you can do the same thing with that one.